You're going to face tough times. Life gets heavy. Sometimes the pain feels like too much. You wonder if you'll ever be okay again. The world says, if you're under pressure, under stress, if you feel unseen, that's where you should quit. They say, let a dream go. Why even try? You're stuck. Your family's always been broke, so you'll be broke. They said that idea would work. It failed. But hear this. That dark place, that pressure, that's where you're being built. That's where growth begins. That's where your strength shows up. That's where you find out who you really are. Being under doesn't mean it's over. If you're under pressure, undervalued, under attack, it might look bad, but it's not the end. This isn't failure, it's fuel. If you're not dead, it's not over. This is just a reset, a moment to breathe, to regroup, and then come back stronger. If you've taken hits, you haven't lost. You've learned, you've grown, you've adapted. Sometimes stepping back is part of moving forward. Sometimes working 2 jobs is just a step toward your comeback. You're not broken. You've just been introduced to your deeper self. When life said, quit, something inside you said, keep going. You didn't stop then. Don't stop now. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it hurts. But quitting won't ease the pain. So don't waste the struggle. Get something out of it. This place you're in, it's temporary. It won't last forever. No one can say what you can't do. No one can tell you how far you can go. Because the human spirit, it's powerful, almost unbreakable. So give yourself a chance. Don't hold back. Don't settle. Let the hunger inside you pull you through the pain. You're stronger than you think. You're not powerless. You direct your life. You control the power in your story. Whatever you're going through, it doesn't define you. It's just one chapter, and you have the pen. You might ask, how do I do it? You don't have to know. Just believe that you can. Your past, it doesn't matter. What matters is your next move. Let it grow you. Let it push you. Let it build you. Say it with me. My life is worth the comeback. Yes, it's hard. Yes, you'll hear more no than yes. But stay in it. Push through. Because when it doesn't break you, it breaks you open. And on the other side is everything you were made for.